Hi, my name is Daphne McLean and I'm your instructor for quantitative reasoning. I made this video to be very specific, so it's going to be short but concise. Okay, so right here you'll see below the video, you'll see this writing. I would like you to go through that. I designed it strictly so that you could follow it and not get lost, and it'll make it easy. So please take a look at that when you're done with this video. Okay, a little bit about moving around in this class. First thing is announcements, but there you'll see it right there. And I don't really put announcements there. Mainly they're right here at the bottom and home. And then at the end, I go ahead and put them back in there. So come to home for announcements. Okay, let's go to modules. Modules will tell us week by week what's going on. And there's some specific things I'd like you to see. You will not see this. That's instructor resources. So we're going to go far down a little bit to start here. That's what you will see when you first get on. So the first thing I'd like you to notice is faculty information. In here you'll see a picture of me, my phone number, the email address, and the list of my degrees, and when to get a hold of me. Notice I'm in California. So if you please don't call me Eastern time. I'm Pacific time. So if it's 9 a.m. your time and you're on Eastern time, it's 6 a.m. my time. So here are the times to call me from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Pacific time. Okay, let's go back to modules. And I'd like you to point out one more thing. In fact, it's one of the most important things to note. So that's why I made this video. My computer's a little slow. Let's get over there, please. Okay, well, when you get to modules, when it finally shows up, I'd like you to go to assignment summary. Here we go, assignment summary. This is so important. I print it out because it has what we're doing through the week. It has all the assignments and when they're due. This will help because we can't allow late work. Now, I will allow one freebie, because life happens. But life doesn't happen all the time. So only one time will I'll extend something for you. Okay, so let's take a look at assignment summary. Again, I print it out. I'd like you to do the same. Always work ahead, not behind, especially in an online environment because we go so quick. Okay, so here you can see, here's our first week. Engagement is worth 20 points, and we'll get to that in a minute, but notice it's the same amount of points as a quiz. So engagement, which is participation in the class and participating in discussions, is really important towards your grade. We have 8 weeks, that's 20 times 8, that's 160 points. Okay, so you can just follow this week by week and you can see when things are due. Okay, so what you'll do when you begin the class eventually, you're to go to Module 1. So this was in modules, and start here, we were just there. We did faculty information, we did assignment summary, and now we're going to go to Module 1. So in Module 1, you can click on these step by step. For here, to get into the online math program where we do our homework, you do not need your book for the code right away. They'll temporarily let you in. So make sure to follow that and get registered as soon as possible. Okay, then we go through. Here's the homework that you will be doing on My Lab and Mastering. Then you'll have worked out problems. Read these directions. I do them specifically. They have to be on a Word document, and I'll be showing you something later about that as well. But it's different from this one. This one is online. This one you're going to look at your textbook and pick some problems, and you can actually do your work. They're worked out problems. All right, then we have the quiz, and then engagement, 20 points. Okay, moving on. For modules is discussions. Discussions is where you're going to earn your engagement points of 20 points per week. All right. Ask Daphne Forum is questions other than math questions. For math questions, you go down to discussions. Writing mathematics. You'll click on this and see how to write mathematics, both in the class and both on your online homework that you're going to be handing in, the worked out homework. So check that out as soon as possible as well. Welcome to Module 1, click on that. And then for today, you're going to introduce yourself as well. Okay, next one, MyLab and Mastering. You will see the actual online program. Let's click on there, make sure we get there. All right, and that'll take you to the online program, and that's where you're going to be registering, preferably today, because you can get in temporarily. Okay, it's not going there. Here we go. Okay, now also, the grades that are in my math lab and Masterings, they will be transferred onto Canvas. So you'll see them both in there and in Canvas. My computer's having a problem. Slowing down here. Okay, so I'll keep talking while it's doing that. Grades is where you can check your grades. Once again, they're going to be transferred over. And here we go. You just click on this button and it'll take you into the program. It's as easy as that. You can't get it from outside. It must be within this class. Okay, last thing I want to show you is tutoring services. It's a free service. And if you'd like help sooner than later, click on it and you'll get a one-on-one online math instructor. So that should be very helpful. Okay, I am done. So what I'd like you to do now is go to Home, and everything that I wrote below this video, I'd like you to take a look at it and follow the directions. Okay, see you soon.